To my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about regional health properties INC, and what we have seen in this stock is a swift change in the trend, and what we are talking about is the weekly chart. So it does have its weightage, and as you can see over here, it's just a rounding bottom kind of formation that is happening over here. So the upcoming moves, if it sustains over a particular period and above a particular level, you can see a swift move on the upside again. So let us discuss about the opportunity what we have here for regional health properties INC, the stock forecast update, or either you want to consider regional health properties INC as either to buy or sell candidate. So let us discuss all of this, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Primarily, there are some very important levels that you need to look at. Let me show it to you first. So let's go to the line chart, and these are your levels, because if the stock continues to sustain above these levels, these are your breakout level, and if the stock is sustaining above all of this, then obviously it does means a lot. Okay, and the higher the time frame, the valuable the levels are. So what do you have here are these three levels. Primarily, you have your immediate support at 3.55, then you will have your next support at $3, and finally the stop loss which you're gonna look at is 2.66. So 2.66 is the final reserve or resort we have here. Do not go below 2.66, and do not try to take a punt below 2.66. That's the only thing you need to understand. And only if the stock continues to sustain above 3.55, we will have our trend on the upside again. So primarily we will look at some basic targets. So if the stock continues to sustain above 3.55, the two primary targets for regional health properties are to 4.64 and 5.74. Basically what we are going to do here, or what we are trying to achieve here, is at least the retest of the previous high. When I'm saying previous high, I'm talking about the most recent high that the stock has made. So at least if it is possible, then it would itself be a very big move as far as the overall trend or the range is concerned. So 4.64 and 5.74 will be the two primary targets that you're going to look at, and only if the stock surpasses 5.75 and sustain above that, three more levels will open up for you, and that will start from 7.19. you have 8.54, and the higher end of the range is 10.69 or $10.7. So this is how you're going to approach. So there are levels, or there are very minor segments which you need to focus on at a particular time, and once that is passed, you need to trail your stop losses before going into the next segment or much higher or the upper end of the range. So after 10.7, if you have seen that the stock is still sustaining and showing strength, then the levels beyond 10.7 will be 14.3 and 15.9, and finally we can retest the highest end of the range which the stock has indeed made in the year 2021, calendar year 2021 May. Then it is not far away. So after 15.9, $15.16, you have 19.7, you have $23, and you have $28 on the upside as far as the highest or biggest end of the range is concerned. So this is simply a swing. If a swing sustains, you will see a big move going forward. Mind you that this stock is indeed very volatile, and there are high amount or high degree of risk which is also there in this particular stock. So if you do not understand the kind of risk you are retaining, and if you do not have any plan before you enter in any kind of trend, please do not enter at least in these kind of stocks where you can lose a big amount of money, because these are risky stocks, no doubt about that. If it can move higher, it will be a great news. If it moves lower, then you will lose a hell lot of money from your principal amount. So make sure that you understand the risk which you are obtaining, and then take care of your things accordingly. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.